Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be solving this 440 question, which is find all numbers disappeared in an array. So what does the question say? Question is given an array of nums of n integers. So n is the length of the array where nums I is in the range of 1 to 9. Return an array of all integers in the range of 1 to n that do not appear in nums. So basically we have given an array such that it contains all the numbers from the range 1 to its length. So for example, the first array has the length of 8. So it contains all the numbers from 1 to 8. So it should contain all the numbers from 1 to 8. So it contains 1, 2, 3, 4. It does not have 5. It does not have 6. It has 7. It has 8. So we have to return the missing numbers that are 5 and 6. So that was the question. Similarly, the example 2, it has the total size of 2. So it should have 1 and 2 as the numbers, but it only has 1 and 1. So we have to return 2 because it's the missing from the array. So that was the question. Let's see how we're gonna do that. So we're gonna run a for loop first. Int I equal to 0. We're gonna run it till the num size, increment the I. Now we're gonna initialize a variable of index, nums of I. We have to minus it. Now we apply a if condition for nums getting positive. If the nums are positive, then what we do is we change its value to negative minus nums idx. What's up with these brackets? So that's a for loop bracket. So now we gonna use vector array, vector of int, and this will be our answer, which is result. So now we're gonna run a for loop of int I equal to 0, I less than num of size. We're gonna plus that I. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna take another if condition, nums of I greater than 0, response dot. We're gonna use a pushback method, pushback I plus 1. Now we're gonna return our response. So that was the whole code. So let's see if it passes all the test cases. So yes, the code is correct. So that's all for the today's video. Thanks for tuning in.